Hey wig baes. So today I'm going to show you my quick way to replace my closures on my wig. Look at that. No honey, new closure time. So first I cut the old closure off the wig on the mannequin head. I use those 3 lines on my mannequin head as a guideline so I can see exactly where I want my wig to be placed and where it should fit well. So I use pins to pin it down in a good area. So when I put my closure on, I can just go right up underneath and sew my new closure. I use regular cotton thread, same as sew-ins, honey. So then I pin the closure down first. We're going to use 2 pins in the front and 2 pins in the back, just so you will be exactly where you need to be to sew up underneath there, honey. First things first, you want to make sure you secure that first one. And as you're securing it in that area where the elastic band is at, you want to make sure that you're going underneath that band and you're connecting that to the closure so you can have the same security and tightness that you had when you first originally made your wig. So as I'm sewing through, I like to do this little method. I like to sew underneath the cotton, then the lace, and then I like to tie it over, wrap it around the needle, and pull up. It's going to give me some type of tie, like a straight tie, that better secures the lace to the cap. It works magic. You don't have gappiness, you don't have holes or any of that. So as you're going through, that extra fabric that you left on your wig when you cut it off, you're going to take that extra fabric, and that's the fabric you're going through to add your new closure. So good thing you left that extra fabric, or you wouldn't have nothing to put your closure on. So you want to make sure you're sewing as closely as you can to the tracks, just so you won't have any holes or any, breaks throughout the sewing process. So as you're sewing that, you want to make sure all the thread is very close together. The closure is the most, the most style part of the wig. So it's being touched a lot, it's being moved around, it's being combed over, brushed over, it's being used a lot. So you want to make sure everything up there is secure, you don't have any problems, any holes, or anything like that. And you're going to keep on sewing through all the way into the end. As you're going through, you can remove those pins that you set there as you bypass it, because you don't need it anymore. And then once you get to the end, you're going to secure the knot at the end and make sure that your wig is secure. Now, after you're done with this, honey, you got your wig back. Go wash it, go style it, and hit the streets. The streets are calling you. I'm just playing, but that's it. So simple, so easy. So basically, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns about this video, comment down below. You want to say hey, comment down below. I thank you guys for coming to watch me. Go subscribe to my channel. Go hit that bell notification if you love videos like this. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here. IamMilaJíor. Go follow my business page at shop_the_wig_bar. And I see you guys on the next video. Adios, amigos.